Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hi there, Tony from the Acoustic Letter. Here today we're going to look at a very custom D45 from the folks at Martin. Before I tell you about this really cool special guitar, I want you to click the link below and sign up for the Acoustic Letter. On we go to the Martin Custom D45. Now usually we come down into the studio, we have a plan of what we're going to shoot, which guitars, we line them up, we ooh and ah and gawk over them. And that was very much like what happened today, except for while we were filming the last guitar, knock, 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 Paul comes in, he says, hey, this just came in. And we've been waiting for this one for a while. This is a custom D45 from the winter 2012 NAMM show. So we ordered this way back, the beginning of the year, and now we just played the waiting game. Well, our waiting game is finally over, and we got our second custom D45 that Paul actually picked out the woods for at the NAMM show. This Martin D45 has an Adirondack Spruce top, some really cool bear claw, some really cool figuring in it. In typical 45 style fashion, it's got abalone purfling pretty much anywhere you can put purfling. Around the fretboard extension, style 45 rosette, around the entire body of the guitar. And what makes this really cool is it has Flamed Koa binding all around the entire guitar. The heel wedge, the wedge on the back of the guitar, the heel cap, the neck, the headstock, all bound in Flamed Koa, and all the while, abalone purfling. Way cool, really classy looking instrument. Ebony bridge, bone saddle, ebony fingerboard with abalone hexagon inlays in typical 45 style fashion. The fretboard markers on the player's side are black dots, again, on the Flamed Koa. It looks really cool. Classy gloss 45 style headstock with the CF Martin. Gold open gear Waverly tuners, and on the back we have a piece of hand-selected Madagascar Rosewood. This has some really great figuring, some really strong streaking, and great coloration. This guitar is really awesome to look at, and I can't wait to play it. So let's give it a play and hear how it sounds. Thanks for checking out our Winter NAMM Show Custom D45. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them below. And before you stop watching this video, don't forget to sign up for the Acoustic Letter. Thanks.